To many stock investors, cryptocurrencies look like a foolish gamble. Digital currencies have neither intrinsic value nor net earnings. To traditional investors, that makes them worth precisely zero. Yet, cryptocurrencies have turned countless lucky investors into multi-millionaires. $10,000 invested in Dogecoin in 2020 would have turned into $3.4 million within 70 weeks. The same $10,000 in Shiba Inu or SafeMoon, briefly Twitter's top-mentioned tokens, would have done the same in 3. It's hard to argue with profits, no matter how illogical or ridiculous they might seem. At the end of the day, the game rewards investors who get into coins before they rocket like Dogecoin. So how can investors identify the next breakout crypto like the Shiba Inu coin? By watching our crypto future videos, we will update you with the latest crypto news and insights to do with upcoming crypto coins. So like, subscribe and comment your favorite crypto below to enter our monthly giveaway and for more news just like this. Shiba Inu, hailed as the Dogecoin killer, is one of the newest uprising cryptocurrency. But the real question is, how will Shiba Inu reach 70 cents? And why is Coinbase delaying the Shiba Inu listing? These questions will be answered today. The Shiba Inu Coinbase drama. Shiba Inu has been on a tear these past few days, gaining in consecutive sessions. The altcoin is even slated to hit Coinbase Pro this week. But, with some unanticipated Shiba Inu crypto news, the token is taking a hit this morning. Earlier this week, Coinbase announced that it is bringing Shiba Inu, along with friends Chiliz and Keep Network, to its Pro platform. On Monday, users were given the ability to add their SHIB, Keep and CHZ to their accounts. Trading was set to begin yesterday, June 16th, as long as liquidity conditions were met. Unfortunately for SHIB, though, there are some hang-ups. Technical issues prevented the Coinbase team from adding Shiba Inu trading yesterday, to the anger of the token's fans. The company took to Twitter with a simple, but unclear announcement. We are experiencing technical issues that will temporarily delay the launch of SHIB on Coinbase Pro. At this time we are disabling deposits of SHIB. Withdrawals are still available. We will provide an updated timeline for restoring deposits and enabling trading as soon as possible. This tweet was met with a lot of backlash as numerous soldiers of the Shiba army released their anger under the Coinbase announcement. Numerous Shiba holders have been complaining about the Shiba Inu coin being pending for 24 hours after they had deposited their SHIB tokens to the Coinbase platform. I've concluded, the reason behind the delay has to be because of the huge number of deposits occurring at the same time, which led to the Coinbase Pro platform to shut down the trading of the Shiba Inu token, representing the hype behind the Shiba Inu token caused by the Shiba army. Shiba Inu's official Twitter account had retweeted the initial listing announcement. However, the account is quiet today. They are offering up no insight into what these technical issues are. Nor are they open about how deeply Coinbase has made the SHIB developers aware of the issues. Can SHIB reach 70 cents? Shiba Inu is not purely a meme coin. It was made to be a more viable response to Doge based on economic principles. It was born of a meme, but the token and its community definitely take themselves more seriously than Doge. Current token supply is 500 trillion. Originally was 1 quadrillion, but half of all coins were sent to Vitalik's wallet under the promise that he would hold and not sell. 500 trillion is still a lot of money, so it would require something around a 7 trillion market cap to reach 70 cents. However, developers are actively discussing burning tokens to make the goal of 70 cents possible. We're not sure how many yet or if it'll for sure happen, but it could go as low as 1 trillion, causing the value of remaining tokens to not only skyrocket but make it way easier to grow from there. To add to this, Shiba Inu does have active development. There wouldn't be any discussion of token burn if there wasn't. There's a small core team of developers still actively working on the project, and these devs are extremely active in the Shiba Inu Discord and Telegram groups. They're very involved with the community and make sure members of the community are able to get involved in the development of the token. It is a community coin, but there is still a core dev team working to support the coin and its growth. Meaning, maybe not in the coming months but in the coming years, if the Shiba Inu circulating supply is reduced and it gets listed on more platforms like Robinhood, we could see the Shiba token reaching 70 cents. Shiba Inu crypto news deals blows to past week's gains. The Shiba token's presence on the trading platform Coinbase is largely controversial, as many investors are skeptical of SHIB and other yield farming tokens. SHIB will be one of the first meme coins seeing a Coinbase listing after Dogecoin, which took much petitioning from Doge's hundreds of thousands of supporters. The pessimistic sentiment around the delayed listing is precipitating a loss for SHIB this morning. Shiba Inu prices are dropping by 9%, and trading volumes are down nearly 50%. In recent years, Coinbase has been seen as an important gatekeeper in the crypto universe, and coins have tended to spike in value when they get listed on the platform. On Tuesday, Shiba Inu coin jumped more than 30% after the announcement. Asked about why Coinbase listed Shiba Inu coin, the spokesperson wrote that we want to be the Amazon of crypto where people can find and buy the assets they want, and as part of this, our aim is to list every legally permissible asset possible. In its latest earnings report, Coinbase said that the company was concerned about customers going to other platforms if Coinbase doesn't offer certain coins. It quickly listed Dogecoin after the earnings call, and has been expediting the listing process, giving coin creators and users new ways to apply for listings. The company says it's still holding on to high standards for the new coins. However, we are confident that based on the information we have access to, that assets available on our platform are appropriate for retail customers, the spokesperson wrote. As their strategies shift and they list more coins, the exchanges are likely to become less important gatekeepers in the crypto world. According to Matt Hogan, Chief Investment Officer of crypto fund provider Bitwise Asset Management, the days when Coinbase adding an asset to its platform was an implicit stamp of approval are over. He wrote in an email to Barron's. It should now be thought of as a platform that will trade anything that meets its listing standards. Bottom line, Shiba Inu coin is a nascent token in the virtual currency market, so it's riskier than more established cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Even Binance warned its users about investing in Shiba, stating, "SHIB is a relatively new token that poses a higher than normal risk, and as such will likely be subject to high price volatility after Coinbase relists Shiba Inu." So, with all this information, are you still holding Shiba Inu? And do you think SHIB will reach 70 cents? Let me know down below. If you want to continue to learn about crypto, DeFi, Shiba Inu, and many more coins, we have got 2 more videos waiting on the screen for you to check out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe to enter our monthly giveaway. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.